Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating order management in your buyer and owner dashboards. To begin, find a piece of equipment that you would like to hire. Make sure to read the descriptions and all the details provided. Next, select your quantity, then click the price to choose your dates and also see if it is available. You can check the order cancellation policy by clicking Order Cancellation Policy, which is underneath the rental dates. Once you have set your dates, click Rent Now. If the product you have selected has add-ons, once you click Rent Now, they will pop up giving you the option to select them also. Your item will now be in your cart. You can check that you are happy with the product you are renting and continue to check out. Fill out your address details for the delivery if they are not filled in already. Here you can also see the rental amount, security deposit, delivery charges, and the VAT cost. Next, you need to leave your signature, in which you can either sign your signature digitally in the box provided or upload a signature in file form. Remember to accept and read the terms and conditions. You will be given the option to use the funds that are in your wallet to pay for your transaction. Now fill out your details to complete the transaction. You will be greeted with confirmation that your order has been placed. Navigate back to your dashboard. Select Rental Orders from the left and then choose Orders from the drop-down menu. Here you can view all your orders and their status. Your most recent order will be at the top. To view it, click on the I button on the right. As an owner, when a buyer has made an order, you will receive an email. The email will display the order details and shipping details. You can either select the link on the email or log in via your selected web browser. Navigate to your owner dashboard, select Rental Orders, then click Orders from the drop-down menu. Select the I button to progress with the order. Both the owner and buyer have to update the order status. Now, as the owner, update the order status to being prepared. You add comments to these updates. You will see the Order Status Log update. When you are ready to ship your equipment, you will then need to update the log again when it is shipped. The buyer will notify the owner when the order has been delivered. As a buyer, you will update the order status log to delivered and will add a comment letting the owner know you have received your order. If you wanted, you could attach an image to the comment for the owner. After the rental period is over, the buyer will update the order status again. It will now display that the rental is ready to return. You can leave another comment for the owner and select where the owner will be collecting the equipment from. Once the order has been returned, the owner will update the status to rental returned. The owner will check their equipment and then decide whether or not the buyer will receive a refund. Once the owner has sent through the last update, it'll go to SharePlant where they can confirm that the order is completed. If a refund for the security deposit was required, then SharePlant will release that also. You have now completed your order management. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.